Hi there, I'm Graham Moore and I'm really pleased that you've been given this link so that I can share with you something that I'm doing in Ramadan with my good friends at Eaton Institute. They were the ones who sent you this link. And what is it? Well, we're doing some training during Ramadan. But I should say right up front that this training will be conducted during what we call these days Ramadan hours. We'll start at 9, we'll finish at 11. And we'll do that on 3 consecutive days. This program that I'm going to be presenting is called Selling with Emotional Intelligence. Wow. I believe that that program has not been delivered in the Middle East before. I first delivered this program in about 2005 in Australia for the Australian Institute of Management. I've been working with delivering programs on emotional intelligence and selling for many years. I understand how these two go together. Emotional intelligence will change your life. The program about emotional intelligence will give you skills and competencies and an understanding about your emotions, which will impact in every aspect of your life. But critically now, when I talk about the link with sales, you will improve your sales results. And I don't just say that lightly. Research shows that people who are high on emotional intelligence, people who have been through a program showing them how to be even more emotionally intelligent, have better sales results. This is not just something I made up. This is the research showing this. Emotional intelligence, some people think they know about it, but maybe they don't. A lot of people want to know about it. And I know that I can show you how to be more emotionally intelligent, how you can get better sales results if you're a sales professional. The dates of this program? Well, it's the 26th, 27th and 28th of April. Ramadan hours, as I said earlier, 9 until 1. You will be on this program virtually with me. But I need to say this right now. The numbers who will be attending will be small. We're not opening this up for everybody, no way. I need to have small numbers of people so that I can help you individually get some great results. 3 days. I need you to register so that we haven't got too many people on the program. Ramadan is a great time for learning. I want to help you become better if you're involved in selling. I want you to understand emotional intelligence and the impact that that can have on your life in so many ways. Don't forget, register and we will see you together 26th, 27th and 28th of April.